Today's digital transformation is affecting every moment in our lives. VVDN helps leaders in networking industry to design, develop and manufacture enterprise-grade access points and switches, consumer-grade mesh-enabled access points, LTE 5G routers, point-to-point and point-to-multi-point radio backhauls for longer distances, cloud integration for managing, configuring and monitoring the dispersed device easily with single interface from anywhere. Having strong collaboration with silicon partners, VVDN benefits the customers with their technology roadmaps, supply chain benefits. Our strong software dedicated team supports our customers to develop next-gen, feature-rich solutions plugged with advanced security features. With our RF engineering capabilities, customers are able to solve complexities of their next-gen wireless designs. VVDN's state-of-the-art in-house testing and validation facilities bring value add-ons to the customers to provide manual as well as automation testing using latest tools, test beds, automation script writing. Embark your journey with VVDN's end-to-end solution development and manufacturing expertise.